In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a conversation on Slack. Quick heads up before we begin. Slack doesn't actually let you permanently delete an entire DM or channel thread in a single action. What most people want is to remove a conversation from the sidebar so it's out of sight. In Slack, that action is called closing a conversation, and that's exactly what we'll do. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google. In the search bar, type Slack and press Enter. Click the official Slack result to open Slack in your browser. If you're prompted to sign in, enter your workspace credentials so you land on your main Slack view. Once Slack is open, look to the left-hand sidebar. This is where your channels, direct messages, and recent conversations live. Find the conversation you want to remove from your list. It could be a one-on-one DM or a group DM. Hover over it so it's clearly highlighted. Now, right-click that conversation to open the context menu. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click will do the same thing. On a Mac, Control-click works as well. From the menu that appears, select Close Conversation. As soon as you choose that, the conversation disappears from your sidebar. Nothing gets sent to the other person, and no one is notified. You've simply cleaned up your sidebar. A couple of important notes so you know what to expect. Closing a conversation does not erase its history. All past messages remain available to you based on your workspace's retention settings. If you need to see it again, just use the search bar at the top to find the person or group, or start a new message with the same contact. As soon as there's new activity, the conversation will reappear in your sidebar automatically. If your goal is to truly remove content, be aware that Slack treats that differently. You can usually delete your own messages one by one, depending on your workspace policies. Workspace admins may also set message retention rules that remove older content on a schedule, but there isn't a built-in option to permanently delete an entire conversation thread for everyone at once. That's all you need to hide a conversation quickly. Open Slack, locate the conversation, right-click, and choose Close Conversation. It's a simple way to keep your sidebar tidy without affecting message history or notifying anyone. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you keep Slack organized and distraction-free.